Hello and good day from Wajidson. Today we are going to replace battery in Mercedes E-Class. As you can see, Varta 95Ah AGM battery is currently installed. We are going to unplug it. This one is Mercedes E280 with V6 engine. Usually in this type of model, conventional type battery is installed, not AGM, but it is a factory fitted spare part in this vehicle. So we are going to replace AGM with AGM technology. The charger alternator of this car is designed on AGM technology, so we should be replacing it with AGM technology. Same capacity, same specifications of battery. Currently we are plugging a backup battery so that computer of this vehicle will not reboot. We will show you the battery details and Varta G14, which comes as an aftermarket spare part and ships globally to worldwide. We are going to plug in that. Here we are going to plug in Varta, which is the same as previously installed 12 volt 95Ah 850 AN with AGM technology made in Germany. Rest of the procedure we will show you shortly. As you can see that this one is 12 volt 95Ah 850 AN. What we have installed is Varta 12 volt 95Ah 850 AN. As you can see, the terminal surface is tapered so that we should always clamp it properly and terminal should be tightened. This fits accurate exactly in the bucket of this vehicle. This clamp here goes with these teeth, and this is the strap which we will buckle up later. Currently we have plugged in the scanner and we will check all fault codes and remove them. Now we will run the diagnostics and scan all fault codes which were erased due to the previously installed faulty battery. We will check health report of this vehicle. This one is 2008 model. Scanning is now done 100%. These red ones are the fault codes. We are going to remove them. Also you can see the charging of this vehicle is perfect, 14.14. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also share this video. Thanks for watching Wajidson's Pakistan.